Yeah, let me start declaration of variable in C. Declaration of variables. Variable. Declaration of variable. So, how we declare the variable in C? Before to know about the how to declare the variables in C, we just know why we need to declare the variable in C program. Because the compiler cannot understand about the variable. So the declaration of variable does two things. There are two things about the declaration of variable. Declaration of variables does two things. Two things. Things. Number one, the first thing that is the declaration of variable that is tells the compiler tells the compiler that what the variable, what is the name of name of variable. First thing this, and another thing, first thing, the declaration of variable that is tells to the compiler what is the name of the variable, and the second thing, that is the specifies specifies what type of what type of of data hold by hold by variable. So these two things can be easily understood by the compiler. So there are two different ways by which we can declare the variable in C program. There are two different ways to declare the variables in C program. The first one, that is the primary type declaration. Primary type declaration. Primary type declaration. This is also known as a built-in type declaration. Built-in type declaration. This is also known as another that is the user defined declaration. There are two ways by which we can declare the variables in C program. The first is the primary type declaration, that is also called the built-in built-in type declaration, and another that is the user-defined declaration. So let us see the first thing, first type, that is the built-in or primary type declaration. In this declaration, we simply write the data type. We simply write the data type, data type, data type. Data type tells the compiler that this type of value hold by the variable. And after the data type, we put a space and then write the variable variable name first. We can declare the multiple variable in a single line. Variable name second, and after that put the semicolon. Semicolon, this is the indication to the end of the line. So there are different keywords for a particular, there are a particular keyword for a particular data type in C. And previously I have already discussed about the data type, how many data types is there, and this data type is supported by the C program. So in place of the data type, we just write the keyword of that data type. For example, for example, we need to declare a variable that is the roll number. Roll number. We need to declare this variable roll number. So roll number is equal to, need to declare the roll number. So what will happen with the roll number? Roll number always become a integer number. It will be not a float number. It will be always a integer number. So how to declare this variable in a C program? So because the roll number is a integer number, so in the C program, for the integer type of data, we use the int keyword, int keyword. In C program, for the data type integer, we use the int keyword. So int, first write the int, write the int. This tell us about the data type. This int keyword tell us to the compiler which type of data hold by the variable, and after that write the roll number, and then semicolon. One thing is there, in the name of roll number, the uppercase and lowercase both are different. Means the name of variable, that is the case sensitive. If we write the R capital and we are using this variable name by small r, then that means the R is not declared within the program. So the name of variable, that is the case sensitive. So we declare like that. So there are various keywords for various type of data. We write some keywords here, data type here, type and equivalent keyword. Here data type and here equivalent keyword. Yes, like that. So we just take a data type character. For the character in C, we use the keyword char. In C program, anywhere if we need to declare a variable as a character type, then we use the keyword char, char, char. Now comes to the another data type, that is the signed character. Sorry, unsigned. First take unsigned. Unsigned, GNED, signed character. Unsigned character. For the unsigned character, we use the unsigned char. One thing to remember here, that should all keywords are in small letter. All keywords are in small letter. So unsigned character, that is for the unsigned character, is the keyword is unsigned character. Another thing, signed character, signed character, GNED, signed character. For signed character, use the keyword signed, SIGNE, signed character. Yeah, signed character. For the keyword of signed character, that is the signed character. Another, that is the integer or signed integer. Signed integer or integer. For integer, we use the keyword int. For integer, we use the keyword int. Another thing, signed short int, for signed short int, signed short integer, integer. For signed short integer, we use the signed short int or short int or simply short. Both three keywords are equivalent for the signed short integer. If we need to declare the signed short integer in our program, then we can use any keyword within three, within three, signed short int or short int or only short. So these three keywords are used for the signed short integer. Similarly here, signed long signed signed long integer. So again we use for this signed long int, long int, or long int only, long int, or long. Again, these three keywords are used for signed long integer. Signed long integer, long int, or only long. And it is unsigned integer. Unsigned integer. Unsigned signed integer. For unsigned integer, we use unsigned int. We use unsigned int or simply unsigned or unsigned. Unsigned. These three. Unsigned integer. For unsigned integer, use the unsigned int or unsigned keyword only. Similarly, unsigned short integer. Unsigned short integer. Unsigned short integer. Right here, unsigned short int or unsigned unsigned short. Unsigned short. Similarly, unsigned long integer. Unsigned long integer. Unsigned long integer. Then the keyword for the unsigned long integer, that is the unsigned long int. Unsigned long int or unsigned long or unsigned long. Unsigned long. Then further float. Floating point, use the float. And for double, we use the double. And for long double, we use the long double. Use the double. Long double. Long. So these keywords
are used for the primary type of data to declare in within the C program. Now another way of declaration, that is the user defined. Another way of declaration, that is the user defined type declaration. Second, user defined type declaration. So user defined type declaration. So in this concern, in user defined type declaration, when the user declare the variable with their own type, that facility is also provided in the C program. And the user declare the any variable in their own type by using the type def. First, they write type and def. Firstly, they write the keyword type def, and then write the data type, and then here the name of variable, or that is also known as the identifier, and put the semicolon. Do not confuse with the identifier. We can write here the variable name also. So both are the similar, both are the equivalent. Identifier or variable, both are the equivalent. So don't confuse about the identifier. Identifier, which is identify something, which is used for identify something, that is called the identifier simply. So means identifier, they refer something, that is called the identifier. So here one thing is here, when a programmer need to define a data in their own perspective, then that is called the user defined data type. User defined type of declaration. For that purpose, firstly they write the type def keywords. Here put the right def keyword, and then which type of data they are need to declare. Then put here the keywords of that data type, and here the name of variable or identifier regarding their own choice. So in this way, the user declare the variable. So for example, let us see for example, if a user need to declare a marks with their own type. So first they write the type def, and after that the marks may be float. So the data type will be float, and the identifier, because they need to declare the marks, to write the marks here. So in this way we can declare the user defined data type. But here the marks symbolize with float. The marks symbolize with float. Then how they can use this thing means marks in their program. So how they can use the marks? So they can use the marks like that marks marks like that M5 M5 and another thing that is the M1 5 and like that. In this way, the programmer can use the user-defined data type within the program. But before using this line, they should declare the marks like as this. First write the type def and then float and then marks. So in such way, the programmer can define any data, any variable with their own choice. So such kind of declaration is called a user defined type of declaration. So another thing is with the user defined type of declaration, there is a special type is here, another type is here, that is the enum. Another user defined data type, that is the enumerated enumerated data type rated data type enumerated data type. The enumerated data type, this data type also user defined data type, and for this purpose, if we need to declare a variable as a enum, so what will happen? So sorry, if we need to declare the variable as an enumerated data type, then for this purpose we first write the enum. This is the keyword that is used to declare the enumerated data type. This is the keyword keyword which is used to declare the enumerated data type, and after that write the identifier write the identifier, and in bracket we then write the value first, value second, and so on, like that we write like that. So in this way we can also define the user defined data type, that is the enumerated data type. So if we define, for example, see here, like as we need to declare the day. So what will happen? Enum, first we write the enum, and after that we write the day, and in bracket we write the value of day. What is the value of day? That is the Monday, Tuesday, and so on, and then Sunday, like that. We declare the day by using the enumerated data type like that. So in this way, we can declare the enumerated data type in our program. So what will happen with this? What will happen with this? Because uh, in enumerated data type, the compiler automatically assign the distant integer digits to the values which are declared in the enum. We are declare Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So what will happen? Then the compiler automatically assign the integer digits to these values, and they start to assign the integer value by starting 0. Means compiler will assign the 0 to the Monday, 1 is the Sunday, 1 is the Tuesday, 2 is the Wednesday, and so on, and 6 is the Sunday. So in this way, compiler will automatically assign the value, assign the integer digits to each and every value that will declare within the enumerated data type. In this way, we can use the enumerated data type within the program. Means that the enumerated data type, they will enumerate the character with an integer, because we write the character here Monday, but that character will be enumerated by 0. So if we using the Monday in our program, then we not write to the Monday, we just write to the 0. So by using the 0, we can access the day particularly which is assigned with a 0. So in this way, we declare the enumerated data type within our program. So today end of variable declaration here. Hello, आवाज क्लियर जा रही है ना? और ये वीडियो दिख रहा है नहीं? ओके ओके, थैंक यू। रजनी, 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 योगेश, योगेश, जितनी क्लासेस जितनी क्लासेस चली हैं, सारी वीडियो उसी क्लास पे पड़ी होगी, रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो में जाके देखना लाइव क्लासेस में, तो वो सारी वीडियो उस पर पड़ी हुई है ना। सारी की सारी वीडियो जितनी क्लासेस चली हैं वो सारी उस पर पड़ी हुई है, तो उसको जाके अगेन लुक फॉर दैट वीडियो। हाँ, ठीक है फिर। हाँ, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है यार यहाँ से आज तो। नहीं हो रहा है।